The three biggest questions when someone lands on a LinkedIn profile are: number one, what does this person do? Number two, are they any good at what they do? And number three, how can I hire them to do that for me? Lucky for us, LinkedIn has created two special sections that address these questions. The first being your services section, and the second being your featured section. Let's deep dive into each of these sections to make sure that you're utilizing them to their fullest potential. The services section of your profile is a fantastic place to showcase your skills. It tells potential clients, collaborators, and consumers three things. Number one, the type of services you offer. Number two, how much it costs. And number three, what general category do you cover? My favorite part about this section is that you can always edit it. If you raise your prices, change your offering, or even transfer industries, this section can be dynamic and you can change it whenever you need to. Let's walk through activating this section together. First, scroll down your profile to find the services section. Click on the pencil icon next to the service section to edit. If you haven't set up this section yet, you might need to add it on your profile. To do that, simply click on the Add Profile section button. Next, click Additional, and then you'll see services here. My best tips for this section are to keep it short and sweet. Explain what you offer in 2 to 3 sentences, and most importantly, make sure people know how to get in touch with you. As you can see here, I have added my contact and my offering. Remember, you only have 500 characters to use here, so make it count. I would also highly encourage you to add any supporting video, links, or images that can help show off all that you do. People love seeing validation from others, so there's also a feature where past clients or collaborators can rate your work together. Don't forget to use keywords. Keywords are words or terms that people will search for in order to find what they need on LinkedIn search. Let me show you an example. If I'm looking for a copywriter to help me write copy for my website, I might type in copywriting into the search bar. If you were a copywriter, you would want to have the keyword copywriting and maybe even copywriter in your description to make sure that you came up in my search. As you can see here, all of these individuals have the word copywriting in their profile. However, this one has their services section enabled, so you can easily reach out. Remember that this is a dynamic area of your profile. I encourage everyone to update it regularly as our lives are always changing. Maybe you decide to create new offerings or change your prices or work remotely instead of in person. You want to make sure that any changes or additions are listed here. There's nothing worse than someone trying to reach out and hire you and getting the wrong information. While we're on the subject of highlighting all the great work you do, it's time to dig into your featured section. This section's sole purpose is to literally show off what a rock star you are. How cool is that? This featured section is 100% within your control on LinkedIn. You can show off anything that you think is impressive or noteworthy in this section. It could be articles you were featured in, articles you wrote, projects you were a part of, or example presentations that you think are of interest to people coming to your profile. You want this section to be filled with content that others are going to resonate with. Let's walk through my featured section as an example. When people visit my profile, I'm excited for them to start leveraging LinkedIn. So the first things in my featured section are a downloadable PDF with my top tips about improving your LinkedIn and an easy way to subscribe to my LinkedIn newsletter called What Works. Additionally, I have a link here, driving to a featured series I did with Inc. magazine, which shows visitors on my profile that I have authority and buy-in from accredited news outlets. Those are what I decided to feature, but for you, it could be anything. Show off articles, projects, presentations, things that you're proud of that you want people to see.